Morning, guys. I got the fenders up. I'm gonna run DA over them with 180 grit, just see what we're dealing with on them. I got the doors hanging up. Got that just setting up there. Tailgate setting here. I've gone over the car a little bit this morning. A couple areas I wanted to get a little bit of glazing on. I didn't like this area, so I went ahead and glazed that. It's getting close. He came in, we spent 2.5 hours with the new bumper brackets that didn't fit worth a dime. Had to modify the brand new bumper brackets, but we got it. It's close. Not exactly perfect, but it is close. Haven't felt all that great today. I'm just drained. Didn't sleep good last night. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what the fenders are all about and get a little bit of that stuff sanded and see where I end up. Well, looking at that fender, I'm gonna need some spot putty in some areas, but overall it looks pretty decent. I'm not into it today. I don't feel well, I'm tired, I'm going home. I apologize for such a short video. Last night, I ended up going home, grabbing a bite to eat, and I went to sleep. I was asleep by 5 o'clock. Of course, I couldn't sleep very long. I got up by 7, but it helped. My allergies have been killing me this week. And then no sleep on top of that. I just wanted to say, hey, sorry for the short video. Today, I am going to rip and tear. I got a few spots on the body to take care of. I'm gonna get back to the fenders. Hopefully I can get everything at least under primer today. Got to keep rocking and rolling. All right. Which you'll see that video tomorrow. I'm going to edit this and then get it uploading for tonight.